What is up, my friends? Welcome back to Blanco Bronco Adventures, and it's a cool 40 degrees in the shop today. Brr. Anyway, Smart AI box. Let me tell you about this. We've been using this in our Bronco for a couple weeks now. This is awesome. You're gonna wanna pick yourselves up one of these. This little box, if you have CarPlay, doesn't matter if you have a Bronco or not, allows you to Bluetooth to your phone. You want to watch a movie? Not while you're driving, of course, never. But for the kids in the back, want to watch a movie, and it streams it right to your radio. Now, we've got the Luxe package, so we got the 11-inch, 12-inch, whatever size screen. It's like a small movie theater in our Bronco. Everything you need is in this kit. It is simple to install. You either got to use your USB port or your Lightning port. That's it. I'm going to show you everything included. Plus, we're going to show you actually in the Bronco what it looks like and what it does. We absolutely love this. We got this from our friends at OneCarRadio. They're awesome. Again, down in the description, even if you don't have a Bronco, wired CarPlay. You know, even if you have an Apple or an Android, this will work. Let me show you what's in the box, and then we're going to put it in the Bronco, show you how easy it is to connect, and you can enjoy your favorite movies. Inside our box, and it's packaged oh so nice, you have the smart box right here. It's literally that. That's all it is. Cable. All you got to do with the provided cable, and you get to choose. We use the USB, but you can also use the Lightning cable in the Bronco. All you have to do is plug it into the box, just like that, and then into your vehicle. I'm going to show you how to hook this up. It is awesome. I'm also going to show you where we put this box, and it's hidden out of the way. You don't even know it's there until you start your vehicle and you start to drive. Let me show you. Come on. So all we've done is we took and got some double-sided sticky tape. We used the Gorilla brand because that's what I had. Now, in your Bronco, you've got the option for USB or the Lightning cable. We end up using the Lightning cable more for our phones for charging, you know, cameras and stuff. So we're using just the USB. The cool part with this, plug it in, and with your sticky tape attached to your AI box, you can push it right in there, stick it up underneath the console. You don't even realize this is there. But then you get the cool features of turning your Bronco screen into a TV. This is awesome. Don't watch TV and drive. This is for the kids in the back seat. They get to watch their movie. You know, what are they going to watch? I don't know. Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, Blanco Bronco Adventures. That's what I'm talking about. Let me get this stuck in here, and then I'm going to show you most all of your capability is right on the entertainment center right here. The instructions are so easy to hook up your phone. Again, Android or iOS. But it's the Apple variety. You either got the little Droid or the Apple. You decide. You hook it right up, and then once you're hooked up, it's all right here, plug and play, every time you get into the Bronco. Let me show you. So we're gonna let Monica explain this because I'm driving. You know, she's got to press all the buttons. Keep your eyes on the road. That's the law.
So we're gonna go into our settings. I think this is probably the easiest way to use this. And go into our phone list, and right here, because it's wired in now, we're going to go to our Smart AI box, and we're going to hook up to that CarPlay instead of my phone. Alright, so here's our home screen when you're hooked up to the AI box. And what we're going to do this time is go to All Apps, and it comes with most everything we need. We got Disney Plus, we got Netflix, we got YouTube. You want to watch YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright.
I like YouTube.
Here we are.
Boom.
We got some YouTube. We're going to go to our subscriptions. We're probably going to watch some Blanco Bronco today.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
They're all right there.
All right. Let's watch the early Bronco one. I like those.
I like those. There it is. Welcome back to Blanco Bronco Adventures. Right there on the Blanco Bronco, we're watching Blanco Bronco Adventures. How does that work? Smart AI box. That's
cool.
how that works. It was awesome. Plus, again, this is for the kids in the back seat. They got the perfect view of all of this.
So do I.
Yeah.
It's going to be great.
Click on Netflix. Show them that Netflix is
all right.
there.
So we're going to pull down on our little tab here, and we're going to go back to our home screen. And then let's see what's on Netflix today. Boop. And if you're installing this new, you'll just have to log into all your apps. And
remember your passwords.
Yeah.
I might be able to guess it. Probably not. There it is.
Here we go.
Boom.
What are we watching today? Whatever we want.
That's exactly right. You know, this isn't just for road trips. This is for, you know, you're at the gas station working on something, fueling up, you know, whatever you need. You just put the entertainment on for the kids.
It's great.
It's been awesome. It's one thing that I, you know, when we first got it, we were like, that'd probably be cool. You know, it's a gadget. No, this is really
awesome.
Cool. Plus, this has been something that we've absolutely loved. Again, it's not Bronco specific. It works for all vehicles with CarPlay.
As long as you have wired CarPlay.
That's it.
Or you have an Android.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Plug it in.
Yeah, plug and play. I like that I can't even see the box. You just plug it in and it's there. And as soon as you get in, it just automatically hooks up to your phone. So that's all you got to do. It's that simple. Now, exciting news. We're going to be giving one of these away, right?
Yeah.
What's the whole deal?
We're going to give it away on our Instagram. So go check out our Instagram page, give us a follow, and we'll have that up.
Yeah, watch for it because it's going to happen. I guarantee it. You can get off your couch, create an adventure, and watch some television in your Bronco or whatever vehicle. This is awesome. Do that, you know. Get off your couch, create an adventure. We'll see you next time.
Bronco Adventures.
Driving along.
Yeah, it's peaceful.
It's peaceful and quiet. You know why?
Pick a show.
Pick a show. You guys want to watch?
No.
Bluey. How do you guys like it?
Good. I mean, great.
Great.
It's
Wow,
great.
We got a great.
We did a great out of this. Wow.
Yeah,
It's a great Bronco now.